I have Olivia here and she's going to help me make some Lil Lemon Cups. The really cool thing about this dessert is we're going to use the lemon as the cup and then we're going to fill it with a tangy lemon pudding mixture. You ready to get started?
Yes.
So first off, a lemon, it's not exactly sitting up like that, is it?
No, it's not.
No. So I want to cut the base off so we can get it to sit nice and flat on our tray. So about 1 centimetre off the base. We don't want to cut all the way through because we don't want to put a hole in it, but if we cut it too far and put a hole in it, it's not going to come out. It's quite a thick mixture, it'll be okay. And look at that, it can sit up. Now, do you think you can cut about 2 centimetres off this lemon and that's going to be our opening so we can scoop out all the flesh?
Yeah.
Looks good. Now that we've taken the tops off, we're going to scoop out the flesh, and to do that, we're going to use
A spoon.
a teaspoon. What we want to do is just get the teaspoon into the membrane. Doesn't matter if all the flesh comes out in pieces because we're not using that part. The main part is the lemon skin and we can use some of the juice in our mixture. Once you've got most of the membrane out and the flesh, you can just press the rest of it to the side of the lemon shell and it just gives you a really nice cavity to fill with the pudding mixture. Now we're going to make the filling. So Olivia, what I want you to do, can you add the thickened cream into the big bowl?
Okay. All gone?
Yep, that's awesome. Some milk. Now we're going to add vanilla pudding mix and that's what's going to thicken our mixture. And then we're going to add some lemon juice. That's the lemon juice from the lemons that we've taken the flesh out of. And we've got some lemon rind and that makes it nice and tangy and zesty. And then we use an electric mixer and we're going to mix it until there's firm peaks. Can you see how that's thickening?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Oh, we've got some soft peaks now. See how the cream's folding over?
Oh yeah?
We want them to sit up so they're nice and stiff and that way we can pipe them in our lemon cups. Do you want to have a go now?
I would love a go.
See how it's getting thicker?
Yeah.
Go right to the bottom of the bowl. Okay, lift it up again. See that?
Yeah.
See the difference where now the mixture's staying up the top. Now that the mixture's ready and we've got our firm peaks, can you tear some raspberries in?
Why are we tearing the raspberries?
We need them smaller so that the mixture can fit through a piping bag.
So just like that?
Yep, tear them up into pieces. So probably in about 4 pieces. Let me do some too.
Do we do all the raspberries?
We do all the raspberries, it's the correct quantity. Now that all the raspberries are in there, we're going to fold them through the mixture. And when you fold, you just lift up and fold over. See that? And see how we get that beautiful, pretty pink through the mixture. Now we're ready for that to go in the piping bags. The fun part. You excited?
Yeah, I love piping.
Got a piping bag here, disposable piping bag with a 2 centimetre nozzle, and that's what we're going to use. And I've got a little bit of a tip about filling it. If you don't have a second person, you can just put it in a jug and fold over the top of the piping bag and it's nice and stable. Okay, now let's fill the piping bag.
Could you use a Ziploc bag?
You could use a Ziploc bag and cut the corner off to 2 centimetres. There we go. We'll do it in 2 lots just so that it's not too much filling in the bag.
Okay.
And then we just twist the top, gently put some pressure, and then the filling comes out the top of the piping nozzle. Okay, you want to pipe some of the lemons?
Yes, I would love to pipe.
That looks so good. Well done. And if you're not very good at piping, you know what? You can just squeeze the mixture into the lemon and then just have a go at the top. Just twist the bag down so that you've got good support and even pressure when you're piping. Well done. We're going to pop them in the fridge and let them set for about half an hour and then they're ready to eat. These look great. They've been in the fridge and they're firmed up and we're just going to sprinkle with some lemon zest to finish them off. Beautiful. These little lemon cups are a quick and easy dessert that come in their own bowls. Should we taste some?
Definitely.
It's good. For more kids' recipes, head over to our kids' cooking playlist here. And to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.